How to enable automatic app updates on the App Store. If you're tired of manually updating your apps, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you how to enable automatic app updates on your iPhone so you never have to worry about updating your apps again. So let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. It's the gray gear icon on your home screen. Now simply scroll down until you find the App Store option. Once you find it, tap on it. In the App Store settings, you'll see a section called Automatic Downloads. This is where you can manage all your automatic download settings. Now, under automatic downloads, you'll see an option for app updates, and here you can also see automatic downloads on cellular data as well. As I'm using cellular data, it is only being shown, and if you have Wi-Fi, you can see automatic downloads and tap on app updates and toggle that option on. You can also simply enable mobile data for update as well, and that's it. Now your apps will update automatically in the background whenever a new update is available.